In this video, we'll learn how to use trigonometry to find the area of a triangle. If we know two sides of a triangle and an angle between them, we can use the trig area formula. And the trig area formula is half AB sine C, where A and B are two sides of a triangle and C is the angle between them. Okay, so here is an example. Calculate the area of this triangle. It has two sides of length 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters and an angle of 28 degrees between them. Give your answer to one decimal place. Right, so let's see the method. First thing to do is label the sides and angle and then substitute them into the area formula. Note that it doesn't matter which side you label A and which side you label B. All that matters is that they are each side of the angle. Okay, so when showing your working, it helps to write down the area formula because it makes you more likely to remember it. And so area equals half AB sine C becomes half times 10, which is A, times 12, which is B, times sine of the angle C, which is 28. And this can be entered directly into your calculator to get the answer. And we do this by first pressing the fraction button and entering 1 on the numerator, pressing down on the directional pad, and then entering 2 in the denominator space. That's our half part. Then press right on the directional pad and enter times 10 times 12 times sine 28 before closing the brackets and pressing the equals button. And the answer we get by doing this is 28.2 centimeters squared, correct to one decimal place. The units are centimeters squared because area is measured in square centimeters. Now it's your turn. Here is another example. Find the area of the following triangle. Give your answer to one decimal place. Follow the method from the last question shown here on the right hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so here is the answer. First label the sides and angle. Then substitute them into the area formula. So area equals half AB sine C. That becomes half times 11, which is A, times 12, which is B, times sine of the angle C, so sine 75. Entering that into your calculator, you should get 63.8 centimeters squared, correct to one decimal place. However, if instead you get a strange fraction as your answer, then press the S to D button and the decimal answer should come up. Right, now before we go, here's one last bonus question that might catch some of you out. Calculate the area of this triangle. Give your answer to two decimal places. If you'd like to have a go at figuring it out, pause the video now. Okay, here is the answer. Now where this catches people out is that they forget that the formula only works when the angle is between the two sides. Right now, we don't have the angle between the 9.5 centimeter side and the 7 centimeter side. However, we can use the fact that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees to find it. So to find the angle C, we must add the other two angles together first to get 41 plus 68 is 109, and then subtract 109 from 180 to get 71 degrees, which is our angle between the two sides. Now it's straightforward. We can enter these values into the area formula. So area equals half AB sine C becomes half times 9.5 times 7 times sine of this new angle, 71 degrees, which when entered into your calculator should get 31.44 centimeters squared, correct to two decimal places. Thank you for watching. I hope you got those correct. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe so you get notified when the next video is out. And feel free to share with your friends if you think it would be helpful.